Bear likes his things organized. When he was typing dates in Excel, he realized they are sometimes aligned differently, and formatting of dates only work for some of them. Let's find out how to Excel recognize dates and why some dates cannot be formatted. There are mainly two types of data typed in Excel. One are numbers and the other are text. You can see numbers aligning to the right and the text aligning to the left with no forced alignment. Dates in Excel are recognized as numbers, and we will elaborate more on this in a bit. Since we know numbers are aligned to the right and dates are recognized as numbers, we can tell which of these are recognized as dates in Excel. To watch the video, you can click on the top right corner over here or by clicking Show More in the description box down here. Select Cells with Date, go to the Home tab on top of the ribbon, click on the drop down here and select General. Keyboard shortcut for formatting as General is Ctrl, Shift and backtick with tilde, usually found below the Escape key. We now see those dates aligned to the right are showing as numbers. But what do they mean? This actually means 9 February 2014 is day 41,679, starting from 1st January 1900. To illustrate, there are a bunch of numbers here from 1 and move incrementally all the way down to 41,679 at the bottom. We're gonna select the entire column, copy by pressing Ctrl plus C, and paste this on the left by pressing Ctrl plus V. They now look exactly the same. We will now format the one on the left to present it as dates. In the Home tab of the ribbon, click on the drop down again. This time we will choose long date as it shows the full year. You can see that 1st January 1900 here is equivalent to the number 1. It's day 1 of Excel, mother of all dates. 2nd January 1900 here is number 2. That is day 2 starting from 1st January 1900. 3rd January 1900 is day 3 starting from 1st January 1900. It goes on and on until 9 February 2014, and that is equivalent to day 41,679. But don't worry, Excel doesn't quiz you on what dates these numbers are referring to. You just have to know a recognized date is always a number in general format. And also not panic when you see a supposed date in numbers. You simply need to format the cells to present them as dates. So why do we need dates in Excel to be recognized? One benefit is that you can change its presentation to any date format you prefer. Right-click and choose Format Cells or press Ctrl 1 to use the keyboard shortcut. Choose Date on the left panel and you are free to select any preferred formatting you would like to see. Press OK to choose that format. Those not recognized as a date will not have its presentation changed. In our next video, we will show you what is the best way to type dates so that they will be recognized in Excel, and also share more benefits for recognized dates. Subscribe to our channel if you'd love to see more. The sensor is kinda small, isn't it? Very funny.